Hello children, this is St. Florence YouTube channel. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher. I am teaching math since last 30 years. Now the next another concept I want to explain you. What is that? Concept of quadrilaters and its types. Everybody knows, the class 10, 9 children, all of you knows. But still I want to very brief, in a very short way I want to explain you what is quadrilateral. All this I know. In a fast way I explain. I will not say details, just the basic things and concept I have to give you. Quadrilateral, there are 4 sides are there and the 4 angles are there. Here, see here. And the 4 sides are there. These are the interior angle. Any line I'll extend, that is called exterior angle. Okay. So A, B, C, there are 4 vertices are there, 4 sides, 4 angles, 1 exterior angle is there. The quadrilateral means any plane, any closed figure made of 4 lines, that is called quadrilateral. Okay. Now quadrilateral types, what is? These are the things. Already everything is given in the book. You know all this. Trapezium, that is also isosceles trapezium also. Then parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square and kite. Okay. These things are there. In a very brief, I'll draw the figure and just I'll explain you. Okay. Now see one after another. Now trapezium, what is trapezium? Everybody know, boring for known children, but try to understand if you don't know. So trapezium means what? A trapezium means one pair of parallel sides are there. Trapezium means 4 sides are there because it is a part of quadrilateral, but one important condition, what is that? One pair of sides is parallel. Then it is said to be trapezium. Clear? More than this I will not explain you. One pair of sides is parallel in a quadrilateral where one pair of sides is parallel. That is called trapezium. Very easy. Number 2. What is that? Isosceles trapezium. What is this, children? One pair of sides is parallel. Okay. Then what is? Another pair means non-pair of sides should be equal. Non-parallel sides should be equal. Then it is called isosceles trapezium. So trapezium, you are clear? Isosceles trapezium is clear. What is the difference? Here non-parallel sides should not be equal. But if it is equal, this is called isosceles trapezium. So it is trapezium, it is isosceles trapezium. Third one, what is I said? I said parallelogram. Parallelogram means if the opposite sides are parallel. Clear? This one parallel with this one. If you want, you can write A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Here also A, B, C, D I can write. Now AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. Okay. And BC parallel to AD. AB parallel to, what is I said? AB parallel to BC. Parallel, not equal. Parallel to AB parallel to DC. Sorry. DC and AD parallel to BC. AD parallel to BC. It is called parallelogram. Here what I said, children? Here I said AD, little bit writing AD parallel to BC and AB equal to DC. AB equal to DC. Here what is? Here AD parallel to BC, AD and AB not equal to DC. This is the difference. Small, I just explained you. See, opposite sides are parallel in a quadrilateral. That is called parallelogram. Okay. So these 3 you are understood. Now rectangle looks like parallelogram. See here. This is number 4. What is this, children? It is rectangle. Rectangle means what? Opposite side equal. Here A, B, C, D. So money AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC. And all angles are 90 degrees. This is 90, this is 90, this is 90 and this is 90. So what is the difference between these and these? This is also a parallelogram. Rectangle also a parallelogram. But all parallelograms are not rectangle. This is very important thing I am saying you. All rectangle is a parallelogram. But this parallelogram is not a rectangle because one condition does not match here. It is all 90 degree. Here it is not 90 degree. Now all the parallelograms are not rectangle, but all rectangles are parallelogram. You know already this one. So you have understood about the rectangle. Then I am coming to the next 5 number. What is this 5 number I am doing here, children? Number 5 is rhombus. So this is rhombus. All sides are equal. In rhombus, what is? Let A, B, C, D. So AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. All sides are equal, but angles are not 90 degree. Angles are not 90 degree. Opposite sides are parallel also. This is also parallel. So this is not a parallelogram. Yes, this is also parallelogram. So all rhombus is a kind of parallelogram. What is the difference between this and this? Here all sides are equal. Here opposite sides are equal. So little difference is there, but this is also parallelogram. This is also parallelogram. This is also a parallelogram. Okay. Now the next I want to explain what is that, children? Square. Square where I will do? Square I am doing 6 number. I am doing here. This is square. Okay. Here not. I am doing beside this. So little bit difference. I will rub this one. No, let it be here. I am doing here 6 number. I think all of you can see board. Okay. This is a square. This is square. A, B, C, D. So here what? AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. All sides are equal. Then what is the difference between this and this? Here all angles are 90 degree. All angles are 90 degree. Okay. Difference between square and rhombus. You are clear? Rhombus and square. What is the main difference? Here angles are 90 degree. Here angles are not 90 degree. This is the difference between square and rhombus. So this is also a parallelogram. So this is also a parallelogram. This one also a parallelogram, and this is also a parallelogram. But this is parallelogram. But this cannot be said as square. All squares also are rhombus, because opposite sides are parallel and equal. But all rhombus are not square. Difference understood, our children? Now the last thing I want to explain, that is kite. What is the kite? 7 number I want to explain here. This is the kite. Looks like kite. Here this is the main thing is that A, B, C, D. Okay, kite. What is the main thing here? AB equal to AD. Means one pair of sides should be equal. Then it is said to be kite. Understood, children? This one clear? So these 7 things in a very brief way I have explained you. Just I want to give the concept of all these things so that in the next level you must be clear about all these things. So please study this. If you know, skip the video. Okay, for class 10. But class 6, 7 children are there, they can study this one. They can understand the basic things. Many children in 9, they don't know the congruency. For them, I want to explain all these things. So all level of children, weak children, strong children, very good children, and the brilliant children all can understand. Okay, children? Then from the next, I'll come with another concept of the geometry. Then further, I'll come for the class 10, the main chapter. Okay. Goodbye, children.